So I just bought credits on IMView just now for like $10. Um right now I'm gonna go shopping, buy clothes, cause I'm on a shopping spree right now, and I haven't been on here in like forever. It feels like it. So I'm just gonna buy a couple shit that I most likely needed. Like this outfit is super cute. I really like this outfit. Hold on, I didn't know the bottoms was like this. I don't know if I want this anymore. I don't know about that. But anyways, I wanted to get like a couple cute outfits because I needed to get some, and like yeah, just need a couple cute outfits to wear somewhere that is important. So let's get this started. My mom is gonna be upset with me though because I didn't ask her, but oh well, I guess. What was I gonna say? But yeah, let me get started just buying stuff because I'm be just okay. So I want to get this outfit, and I know I want to get this pose. Let me try this one again. I mean, it's something straight, but I don't know if I really want it. Let me go back. Try this one. Buy that. Should I get this? It's like a little skirt, but I think it's cute as hell. Okay, let me get this. And we're gonna come back for the rest because I don't know if I really want that. The rest, but I want to be a much smaller than I was before. So I'm gonna look up some scalers. Scaler. Okay, 50 scaler. See that? Okay, that made me smaller, but I want to be a little bit more smaller. About 150. I mean 105. I mean, I don't want to be too short, but like I want to be short though. I don't know. Cause look, right here I look fucking tall as hell. I wanna be something that's like short. But after this, I'm gonna go find me a man, cause you already know I'm gonna be looking good for my man. So, you know, just wanna bring that out there. After I do this, I want to find me a man. Where? I swear. And like hairstyles and stuff like that. Whoa. Hold on. Let me refresh this shop. Okay. Let's see the hairstyles. Okay. Plus, I really do need to get some more hair, so I'm gonna just click through some shapes. And this is cute. Like, some of these hairs are out of style, so like, I'm gonna just clicking through them. Like, they look so old. I don't see any like brand new hair that I would like. Like, this one is cute, but it's not like how I want it to be cute. Like, the swoop on this side is cute, but I just wanted that side to be straight. Like, I'm really picky, if you didn't know. Okay, this is cute now. This is cute. Found me a hair. Let's see if I can find another cute one. Yeah, that's really cute. I like that. Let me go back. What ordered this hair? Well, I'll come back later, but about the scale, like, yeah, I want to be shorter, so I don't know what's a good scale to use to be shorter, but none of these are making me short, so kind of need help. Alright, here goes the final look. And this music is wild in here. Oh yeah, just to let you guys know, I just came back from letting my dog outside, so mami es la cosa, el que mira sufre y el que toca goza. Bye, YouTube. I don't have nothing else to do, so bye.